24th or 25th or something like that. Friday afternoon. A little bit of after work water therapy, or as my wife calls it, fish fever. Wind's blowing pretty good. We're over here in the Heritage Park area of Tyndall Air Force Base. It's not as bad as it is on the unprotected areas, but me and a couple of guys from the shop, Troy and Bobby, we're going to try to see if we can't get some fish on this afternoon. Have a good day. We will catch up with you when we get a bite on. Finally on the board. Finally on the board. Not a big one, but come on. I can get him in the net. Good Lord, thank you. Alright, now let's try to get it out of here. There, it came off. Thank you. Alright. Got him on the old Missouri. Oh, let's get him back in the water for a second. I ain't caught anything all day, so I don't have anything ready. So, but by no means a giant, but I didn't go home stuck. Okay, there we go. All right, let's just sit you here for a second so I can get out of this situation that I'm in. Actually, that's fine right here. We'll just stop right here. All right, she's in the water. Let's get this Missouri off out of the net. Go figure. All right. Probably about 5:30. Sun's going down. Been out here all day. Everybody's catching but me. And I finally got on a little dink. Little tiny dink. But whatever. Fish is a fish is a fish. Let's see what we got. Oh, come on, lady. Come on. Oh, a little 14 3/4. 14 3/4 of an inch. Thank you. Thank you. And a good release. She's gone. I am on the board. Oh, that feels good. That felt good. Oh, terrible, terrible, terrible. Anyhow, well, maybe it's the feeding time. Let's see what we can get. All right, right here at the boat on paddle tail. Nice, got her in. Got her. All right. I know, sweetheart. I'll get you. Hold on. She's a decent one. Yeah, she's grunting and groaning. She's grunting at me. All right, calm down. Hey, calm down. I got you. Paddle tail, yes. All right, get a good picture. Let's get her on the board. Casey. Thank you very much. Get on with your bad self. Well, it turned out to be a long day, but I didn't go home skunked. I got 2 on the board, which is better than I've been doing. I was hoping to do a lot better. It just seemed like the conditions were really good, but the wind was picking up a little bit. But overall, not a bad day after work. Till the next time, keep fishing.